The truth will not change because of your refusal to acknowledge it. Those who reject knowledge rarely brings to the table any facts to support their delusions. They simply walk away stunned at your audacity to challenge their long-embedded beliefs. Truth is a hard pill to swallow for the entire world. What is false is more alluring to the minds of the weak. What we see happening now is a false truth that the masses will accept so that the real truth is overshadowed by the desires of men who love darkness rather than light. The real truth is now being called evil, while that which is false is called good. One can only imagine the outcome if real truth were to become the norm. That would mean that the world as we know it would change drastically, and thus the perpetuators of lies would be forced out of existence or at least into hibernation. The broad road to perdition is the favored path of many, but the road to truth and salvation is narrow. Which road are you on? The answer is not as clear-cut as you may think. The funny thing about the truth is that it doesn't need our permission or approval. It is what it is and will always be. It doesn't care if we agree. Shalom.